Hi, this is Saiki Shetty from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics. Day 15. Today topic profit and loss. So, cost price. The price which an article is purchased is called cost price. Cost price is always denoted by CP. Cost price is always denoted by CP. Next one, selling price. The price which an article is sold is called selling price. Selling price is denoted by SP. Market price, the MRP, maximum retail price of the product is called market price, denoted by MP. Cost price is always equal to 100 percentage. Cost price is always equal to 100 percentage. And discount is always calculated at market price. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit, selling price minus cost price, loss. Cost price minus selling price. So profit percentage. Profit by cost price into 100 percentage. Loss percentage. Loss by cost price into 100 percentage. Profit means selling price minus cost price. Loss means cost price minus selling price. A person purchased an article for 120 rupees and sold it for 150 rupees. Find his percentage profit. So, cost price 120 rupees, selling price 150 rupees. So, selling price is higher than cost price, means profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. 150 minus 120. So, 30 rupees. Profit 30 rupees. But profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100 percentage. So 30 by cost price 120 into 100. So 4 times means 1 by 4 into 100. 1 by 4 means 25 percentage. Second option 25 percentage. Profit 30 rupees, profit percentage 25 percentage. Next, a person sold an article at profit of 15 percentage. If he sold it for 80 rupees more, he would have gained 18 percentage. What is the cost price? So cost price equal to always 100 percentage. So we have to find out 100 percentage. From given information, a person sold an article at profit of 15 percentage. If he had sold it for 80 more, means 15 percentage plus 480 rupees equal to 18 percentage. So he already sold it 15 percentage. If he had 480 rupees more, then he can get 18 percentage. So 480 equal to 18 percentage minus 15 percentage. 480 rupees equal to 3 percentage. 3 percentage. But what is the question? We have to find out CP means 100 percentage. 3 percentage equal to 480. Then what about 100 percentage? 100 percentage. So by cross multiplication, 100 by 3 into 480. 480. So how many times? 16, 160. So two zeros means 16,000. 16,000. 16,000. If the market price of an article is 25% more than that of cost price and a shopkeeper allows a discount of 10 percentage, find his profit or loss percentage. So for example, cost price equal to 100. So if the market price of the article is 25% more than, so market price 25% more than means 100 plus 25, 125, 125. And a shopkeeper allows a discount of 10 percentage. So discount discount 10 percentage of 125. 10 percentage of 125 means 12.25. 12.25. 125 minus 12.5. So 112.5. So cost price 100 and final selling price 112.5 means profit 12.5 percentage. 12.5 percentage profit percentage. If the cost price is 96% of the selling price, what is profit percentage? So, for example, selling price take as 100, then cost price 96 percentage means 96. So, selling price is higher than cost price. So, profit equal to selling price minus cost price. 100 minus 96. 100 minus 96 means 4. Profit equal to 4. But we have to find out profit percentage. Profit percentage. So profit by cost price into 100. From data, profit 4 by cost price 96 into 100. 96 into 100. So from calculation, 4.17 percentage. 4.17 percentage. Remember, in this question, selling price 100, cost price 96. So profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. So 4.17 percentage. Sai purchased a house for 75,000 and Said for 15,000 respectively. If he sold the house for 83,000 and Said for 10,000, find resultant percentage of gain. So cost price 75,000 and 15,000. So total 90,000. Cost price 90,000 and selling price 83,000 and 10,000. So total 93,000. 93,000. So selling price is higher than cost price. So selling price minus cost price equal to profit. 93,000 minus 90,000 equal to 3,000. Profit 3,000. So, but we have to find out profit percentage. Profit percentage. Profit by cost price into 100. So, profit 3,000 by cost price 90,000 into 100. So from calculation, 3 zeros and 0 cancel. So 30 by 9. 30 by 9. Convert into mixed fraction. 9 3 is 27. So 3 remainder. 3 by 9. So we can take 3 1 by 3. So 3 1 by 3 percentage. 3 1 by 3 percentage. The market price of two articles are in the ratio 1:2. Then discount also in the ratio 1:2 and profit also in the ratio 1:2. What is the ratio of their cost price? So market price of two articles 1:2 and discount 1:2, profit also 1:2. 1:2. But there is no information about cost price and selling price. We have to find out cost price. But if we take different values, if we assume any value for market price, we get different answers. So we cannot find out, means cannot be determined. For more updates, follow our YouTube channel. Comment your answer. A man sold two articles each for the same price, 840 rupees. He hence 20% profit on the first article and 40% profit on second. Find his overall profit.